Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Ghana. I am in Ashanti region. I'm on the outskirts of Kumasi, which is the capital of the Ashanti region. So today I'm driving through a town called Trede. You can see the neatly tarred roads. I'm going to another town called Sokoban. Now Sokoban is a very unique town. I haven't seen anything like this in any parts of the Ashanti region. So I just want to explore the place, show you how the place looks like. It's called the Rock Village. Now, Kumasi is not known for rocks, right? But this town has this unique rocks all over the place, and I don't know how it came about, but it's just so different and so unique from all the villages and all the towns in the Ashanti region. So come with me, let's go see this. If you've never heard about this place, then at least you get a chance to see it and hear about it, right? So let's go. All right, so we're still driving through the Trede Township, and I just want you to have a feel of the other parts of Ghana. So this is the Ashanti region, this is the Trede area, and we are making our way to Sokoban. Okay, so let's just take in the views. And I really like this particular road because it's tarred all the way to Sokoban, and this just makes the place so neat. So this area has really opened up, because of the tarred roads. So if you're watching this and you're really looking for a place to stay in the Kumasi area, you want to build outskirts of Kumasi, this is a place that you should be looking at because of the good accessible roads over here. So all right, so let's continue our journey. We are on our way to Sokoban, and these are the new developments in this area. So I want to showcase this area to you. It's a very beautiful place opening up. So if you really want to invest in the Ashanti region, and these are the areas that you want to look at. All right, so we just got to a town called Kwamuma. I like driving through the villages. This is part of Kumasi now, so it's no longer a village, it's opening up. So I just saw these beautiful townhouses on the road, and that tells you people are really developing this area. So something that you should look into. All right, we just got to Ampame number 1. Right, welcome to Sokoban. This is the town I'm talking about. So let's dive into this place and see what is here. Will this little car just get out of the way? This is Abubuya, right? Okay. I can't even check it because it's in the right place. These are some of the rocks I'm talking about, right? I know how these rocks got over here. So this town is full of mysterious rocks. One of the reasons why I just wanted to come over here, because I find it very fascinating to see these rocks. I don't see the mountains over here. Look at some of the rocks. Yeah. And this quality foam thing is also a rock that's been painted. it's just, I wish I can ask somebody about how these rocks came to being over here. So look at this one. This house over here too had these rocks. See? Alright? I think I should pack in the town and talk to people if I can. I know they have a shrine over here. Right, so these are some of the rocks too. See, that is a rock over here, the building over there. Curious to find out how this rocks came to be. And should I go for them? That's it?
Yeah.
No. Alright, so I parked the car. Now we are going to the town to explore these rocks. As you can see, some of the buildings has made this rock as part of their architecture. Alright, so you can see these rocks over here where people can sit on top. It's pretty cool. It's become part of the house. And the guy said that rocks are all over the place, so I don't know. I'm just walking through this village for the first time. I'm curious. Alright. Ozzy. Okay. So I think this place is part of the Sokoban Assembly. And these are the rocks. Very strange. And this is the only town in Kumasi or in the Ashanti region that I've seen these rocks. Look at that. See? So I'm trying to find somebody who knows the origins of these rocks or why we have these rocks in the only town in the Ashanti region. But it's just beautiful to find this, right? Oh look, this house is full of the rocks. But to say, what's Tiana? Hey, Uba Jiska, Susu, Mami, Ujiana, why? Okay, so these rocks are just unbelievable. Yeah. Yeah, because it's a very like me who go baby. Say Alright, so there was this mysterious was all over the place, but nobody seems to know the origin or the story behind it. So either this was a rocky town and then they built around it. Yeah, like this is very nice too. Look at that. Look at this one. Very nice. Let me just get close to it. Alright, so actually this is Sokoban. I think Ampam is on the other side, so it's just fascinating because I haven't seen any town in Ashanti region which I've been to that has all these rocks. Alright, I won't go far, but I think we've captured enough. This is the town of Sokoban, and they have these rocks over here. Like in the house, people just build a house around it, but so anyway. So this is the mysterious rocks in this town. So we've seen some of the rocks, but like I said, there's no history behind it. So I mean, not that I know. So as you enter Sokoban, this is probably the largest rock among the lot over here, and where it is very monumental. So you see, Quality Foam has made it as an advert. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And I know that when you come to Kumasi, you try and visit Sokoban and see these beautiful rocks. Sokoban is also known for the largest wood market in Kumasi.